Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a timestamp. Timestamps are incredibly useful for guiding your audience through longer content, allowing them to jump directly to points of interest. This enhances the viewing experience significantly, saving your audience valuable time. We'll cover the simple steps to implement them effectively, ensuring your content is easily navigable and user-friendly for everyone. The fundamental format for a timestamp is quite straightforward: MMSS. This represents minutes and seconds. For instance, if you want to mark a point at 1 minute and 45 seconds, you would simply type 0145. If your content is longer, extending into hours, you'll use HH/MMSS. Always follow the timestamp with a brief, clear description of what happens at that moment. To implement timestamps, simply type them into the description box of your video or in a comment section. Each timestamp should be on its own line, followed by a brief description of the content at that specific point. It's good practice to begin with 0000 to mark the very start of your video, creating an initial chapter. This structure makes your content highly organized and accessible. For best results, always provide clear and concise descriptions alongside your timestamps. Aim for at least 3 to 5 timestamps in longer videos to offer sufficient navigation points. Before publishing, take a moment to test each timestamp to ensure it directs viewers to the correct part of your content. This small step guarantees a smooth and professional viewing experience for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.